Set up an event space. Small properties can double as venues for intimate events like weddings, workshops, or retreats. If your property has scenic views, unique architecture, or just a cozy charm, it can be transformed into an attractive event space. With minimal investment in seating, lighting, and decor, you can cater to clients seeking a unique backdrop for their special occasions. Consider offering flexible packages. Some clients might need the space for a few hours, while others may want a full-day rental. Providing add-ons like catering, photography, or floral arrangements can significantly increase your revenue per booking. Partnering with local vendors also makes the process seamless while boosting your business's credibility. Marketing plays a big role in the success of an event space. A strong online presence showcasing your property's potential for magical moments can attract clients. Use testimonials and photos from previous events to build trust and showcase the versatility of your space. It's also worth considering corporate clients. Businesses often look for off-site locations for team-building events or workshops. With the right pitch, your small property could become their go-to venue for memorable gatherings.